Now, dear student, we are going to start next topic, the island. Island means Dweep Samuh. India have two groups of islands. India have two groups of island. One is lies in the Bay of Bengal, and another is lies in the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal both are the part of Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal both are the part of Indian Ocean. One group of island lies in the Bay of Bengal, which is known as Andaman and Nicobar Island. A and N Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is clear? And another group of island which is known as Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea, west of the Kerala. Here is the location of Kerala state, west of the Kerala in Arabian Sea. Here is location of Lakshadweep. Here is some facts which are related with the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island are extending from north to south direction. मतलब इसका विस्तार है उत्तर से दक्षिण दिशा में. It is clear? And Andaman Nicobar Island lie means पड़ता है. Lie in the Bay of Bengal. बंगाल की खाड़ी में ये पड़ता है. They are the upper part of the submerged hills. Upper part of the submerged hills means, suppose here is one hill. Hill means एक पर्वत चोटी है. And upper part of submerged hills means this part is known as upper part of submerged hills because remaining part of hills are submerged. Submerged means डूब जाना. तो इस चोटी का बाकी हिस्सा पानी में डूबा हुआ है. So these islands are the formed by submerging the hills. Only upper part of the hills which not submerged form the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is clear here. So here is written, they are the upper part of the submerged hills. Means these islands are the upper part of the submerged hills. The remaining part of these hills are submerged in the Bay of Bengal. They are the large in the size. These islands are the large in the size. Means area of the island is higher, more. Some of them are the volcano origin. Some of them are the volcano origin. It means what? It means below the ocean, near the bottom of the ocean, मतलब सागर की तली में, when volcano activity take place, then these volcano activities materials accumulated means इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं within the oceans, and by this way volcano activity responsible for the formation of hills. So some islands are formed by this process, by the volcano activity, and thereafter some parts of these hills are submerged in the waters. Only remaining part of hills responsible for the formation of island. It is clear? The Lakshadweep Island are located off the coast of the Kerala towards the west direction in the Arabian Sea. It is clear. I have earlier told you that they are the small in size. Andaman and Nicobar group of island are the larger in size, but Lakshadweep Island are smaller in the size. Very simple. They have been formed by the coral polyp. Lakshadweep Islands are formed by the coral polyp. Coral polyp. क्या है coral polyp? Coral, one of the insect which found in the ocean. They lies in the group. समूहों में कीड़े पाए जाते हैं. After death, they are help to formation of these islands. That is why written they have been formed by the coral polyp. Lakshadweep जो है coral polyp insect से बना है. Now in next para, the varied landform of India are the complementary to each other. Varied landform of the India. भारत के अलग अलग जो स्थल रूप थे, टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट हिमालयन माउंटेन, देयर आफ्टर्स ग्रेट प्लेन्स, महान मैदान, नॉर्दर्न ग्रेट प्लेन्स, देयर आफ्टर डेजर्ट रीजन्स, देयर आफ्टर कोस्टल एरिया, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल एरिया, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल एरिया, देयर आफ्टर plateau region. These all type of landform are complementary to each others. Means they have their distinct features. They have their own distinct features. उनकी अपनी विशेषता है. What are their features? Northern mountains. Northern mountains are the major source of the water. Major source of the river of water. Because so many rivers are emerged from the Himalayan regions. They receive waters after melting of the glacier which found over the Himalayan regions when start to melting down, जब पिघलना शुरू होते हैं, these fed up of melting materials turn into the waters through which river carry waters and start to flow towards the plain regions. So we can say the northern mountains are the major source of the waters and form a long wall along the northern borders. It's also work as a long wall which have more height, which is not crossed by the another country's military. दूसरे देश की सेना जो है पार नहीं कर सकती, स्पेशली इन द केस ऑफ चाइना. Thereafter, the northern plains provide food. Great plain regions after Himalaya, great plain regions provide food because plain area are the very fertile. Plain rivers formed by the action of river. Plain area formed by the action of rivers. Sediments are spread by the rivers through which soil become fertile. So cultivation mostly take place in the plain regions. That is why it's provide more food for the survival of the peoples. And more population also live in these regions because area is under the plain regions. Another is the plateau regions. Plateau regions, earlier we have studied that plateau region is known as the storehouse of minerals. More and more minerals are found in the plateau regions which are used for the industrial development like the coal, iron, bauxite, etc. Coastal area also having their importance because the temperature of the coastal area is moderate due to the influence of the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Third, desert regions also have their own importance because these regions receive high amount of temperatures. Beside the eastern part, northern eastern part of the country, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, these regions receive high amount of rainfall. So, more natural conditions, more natural environments develop in these regions. By this way, I am going to conclude this topic, the islands. Now in next video, we study about the political divisions of India.